Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening the OneDrive app and verifying you're signed into the account you'll change. Once done, pause syncing so files don't move mid-change. This prevents conflicts and partial uploads. Make sure you know the current backup folder path and check available disk space on the drive you plan to use, because moving a large folder without room will fail. Now navigate to the OneDrive settings from the system tray icon to begin the relocation process. You will unlink the PC to allow selecting a new folder. This removes the current link but doesn't delete cloud files. After unlinking, sign in again, and when OneDrive prompts for a folder location, choose Change Location rather than using the default. Pick an existing empty folder or create a new one on your target drive. OneDrive will offer to use it. Make sure the new folder is local, not a network share, and has enough space, because OneDrive will resync files to that. Finish the setup by letting OneDrive complete its initial sync to the new location. Watch the icon until it shows all files are up to date. If you see conflicts or missing items, make sure file names aren't blocked characters, that permissions allow writing, and that disk space is sufficient. Then resume syncing. If sync won't start, try the built-in OneDrive repair from settings or sign out and back in. This often resolves stubborn sync errors and ensures the new backup location is fully used.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.